Nigeria is talented. His name is SHMURDA.
God bless you, my brother. Bella, one love, one love, one love. Yeah,
bless you, my brother. Baba Zion.
Really?
Die.
My blog.
Hello. This is Ennis Portent.
You know the vibes.
This is Omale. He won the award.
You know the vibes.
I am taking the award home, and later is taking the award home.
Yeah. So, talking about the young kids on the block, are you looking to collaborate anytime with them?
Of course,
Boy?
1000%. I was Omale flew to Ghana to meet me the other day. We was there for like 5 days making music. I made some music with Tem. She was in Ghana with me as well. And I've been working with everyone, man. I've literally been getting with everyone. Bad Boy Tim's, getting it with him. I want to get in with SHMURDA. You know, like just every young act doing amazing stuff.